Here we are, looking forward to a full day at Animal Kingdom. In the distance, you can just about see the mountains of Pandora, Avatar Land. We're just looking for the other guys. Oh, there they are. Well, in fact, Ross is recording as I'm recording this, so let's have a side-by-side preview. Two voices at the same time, and then we're both talking to each other, and we're both on the same video.
This is literally the best place in the world. Oh my god, look at it, look.
The Tree of Life theming starts way out here. There's a bison there, and then the theming works its way up to the tree. Let's zoom in and see what we can see, shall we?
It's literally incredible.
Every part of this tree is made up of animals.
Literally every single part is made up of animals.
And you know what? Later this evening, it all lights up and comes to life, and I can't wait.
Are you serious?
It's a really cool show.
Very loud. It's fine. Got a bit of That's the cool. Yeah.
Getting dizzy.
Are they just trying to fly in a giant circle? Welcome
to Harambe. Get it. Whoa, put it away!
You're filming me and I'm filming other fish.
Look at those huge fish!
That's the biggest fish I've ever seen. It's a pacu.
Wow.
This is a hippo, and that's the coolest thing I've ever seen. I really want to see it move.
What's moving? Oh, hello!
Whoa.
Hello, precious aqua cat.
Here, look. You know what this reminds me of? That YouTube video?
Alison's loving it.
Everybody, my name is Cassie. I'm going to be your safari driver for our adventure out here through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. So, is this anybody's very first safari here in Harambe? No. Awesome. I see a couple of hands back there. Well, welcome, and of course, welcome back everyone who decided to come and visit us again. Put that into perspective, they could be as long as a giraffe is tall, and they have enough power in their jaw to crush the bones of their prey. These are Maasai giraffes. They have a very dark, very messy pattern to their coat. They're one of 9 different subspecies of giraffes. They all look a little bit different, but they're all doing what giraffes do with most of their time, which is eating. Giraffes spend 16 to 20 hours of their day eating.
Going underneath the Tree of Life. This is amazing. Shark. Kangaroo. And out the other side. Anyway, we're hungry, so we're going to go to the Dinosaurs cafe thing down there.
Dino bite?
Or Restaurantosaurus. That's where we're going. It looks kind of cool.
I think we gotta go out the way we came.
Me too. Okay, so Restaurantosaurus, this is a chili dog. it looks, it could be alright. You get like a toppings tray, and fries, and a drink. And this was $15, which is okay, I guess, for Disney. So I'm looking forward to tucking into that. Yay. Sam has got all of the chicken nuggets that they would possibly sell him. We are on our way to ride Dinosaur. There's a snake over there. There's a snake right there.
Group that all of their projects are based on.
That's pretty cool.
It's a lot. Do they like being stroked, or do they not bother? Like, do they even enjoy it, or like?
I mean, this is what she's used to doing.
Yeah.
Ever since she's been here. You know, surely snakes in the wild probably would know what's up.
Alright, so we stopped off because there was a snake. That was cool. But now we're going to go and ride Dinosaur.
Ride photo. That looks amazing.
How was the dinosaur ride, Ross?
It was incredible. It was absolutely incredible. I loved it, and I was screaming my head off for like the entire time. Oh, that was the best ride.
You should get a dinosaur t-shirt. How much are these anyway?
I just found a t-shirt to get wrong.
No, but I just found this.
It's 40 quid. Oh, they're those dinosaur things.
What t-shirt? The periodic table of dinosaurs. Oh yeah, that's quite clever. Oh, that was the sound of Everest. We're gonna go ride Everest now, which is awfully exciting.
Ride photo.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo baggage room.
Ride photo. Ride photo.
It's like surfing the mighty waters. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Going down.
I had a really good day at Animal Kingdom, and so did Sam. No. Emma? Okay. We went on Expedition Everest just now, and it was amazing. But it's the end of the day, and we did loads of rides. And now we're going to get ready to watch the Rivers of Light show and the Tree of Life Awakening. Any last words, Sam?
No.
Addison, any more theories on the Tree of Light show?
All the animals are going to jump down and start eating people. If you can survive the night, you get a free meal at Epcot.
Damn!
I think he's onto something, you know.
And they're all equipped with flamethrowers.
Whoa! Oh, Tinkerbell's bringing it to life.
No, it was a hummingbird.
It's a hummingbird, but looks like Tinkerbell from a distance.